Gina with WTI, and I am absolutely obsessed with these wide leg slacks from Sassy Zoey. I get so many compliments on these slacks. For one, this color is absolutely stunning. It's like a Kerry green and it goes with so many different things. Also, the high waist is very flattering. I have a pear-shaped body type and that's a good look on me along with the wide legs. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I can wear anywhere between a size 4 and 8 jeans or pants depending on the brand. I have a 30-inch waist and 42-inch hips, so I went ahead and got the size large. It was a little baggy on me, but I'm a seamstress, so I went ahead and took in a little bit on the waist and butt, and I think that they look really cute. I love that these have pockets and belt loops because I really like wearing a belt with it. I think it helps to really class up the style, although it looks super cute without one. And I love that it has elastic in the back. It just makes it really comfortable and can give you that snug look without being too tight or restricting. The length was also perfect for me. They look really cute with heels, but you could certainly wear them with flats also. I just love these Sassy Zoey pants. I think they're absolutely adorable, and that's my point of view.